Welcome everybody to a new video by Nyjo VFX. I'm Alessandro Cangelosi, founder and instructor at Nyjo, and today I'd like to talk about Primal Predator Masterclass again. Today we just released lesson number 55. We are preparing a lot of stuff. We are still working on a new shot and we have to release 2 more shots. I like to show you something. Here you see that's the teaser trailer we released it months ago. It was partially final and partially a temp version. Here you can see, for example, the shot number 6 we are working on in 3ds Max. It was done using 3ds Max, it was done using TyFlow, EmberGen, Phoenix, vray, cutter, so a lot of tools together to create something amazing. That's the 3D scene we prepared. We split everything in layers. We prepared everything following a really production ready workflow and pipeline. We can talk about the shot, and here you see the shot number 6. We prepared the compositing inside Fusion, so we are going to create a really nice result. And if we go to check what we done in the past, this was the preview version of the tutorial of the video, and you see that's the temp version. And here you can see the final version we just released in the lessons that are published on Vimeo and on our website. So that's what we are going to create. If we go to double check what we done, you can see that's the result we had previously in the version you have in the preview teaser, and here you have the new version we are going to create together with our students. So you can check the video here. We have a lot of lessons ready, a lot of stuff. We have some of the lessons that are completely free, so you can access to our Vimeo page and you can check what we done. For example, for shot number 1, you see until the lesson number 9. So the entire first shot is free, completely free for everyone. And then you see all the other lessons we released in past weeks and months. So guys, follow us. I hope to have you on board for the upcoming new lessons, and please contact us for everything if you have questions, if you have requests, or you have comments. Thanks for watching this video, and it is time to go back to create a new lesson for our students for today. Bye.